All right, day number 18 of the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar. Looks like we've got a turret here we're gonna be putting together. Woof, there we go. See how many extra pieces we have here today. All right, so we've got this up front. We've got one, looks like two grays. Oops, get that on right. Hopefully I'm in the focus of the camera there. Okay, so two grays on top of each other. Then we've got a white one like this. And then we've got this one up here. We have a small one like this. Then we've got this guy, and we're gonna do all the way around. If you can see what I mean by all the way around. We're going to put this on one of them, and then this is going to go on top, and then this is going to go like this, and then we've got a turret. All right, there we go. Day number 18 there. So some of these are definitely going together. We've got a theme going. We've got the snow trooper, then the turret for the snow. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. We'll go ahead and move on to day number 19 tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to the channel.